Good day, kids! Welcome to the Philippines History Quiz Bee Challenge. First question. Who was the first president of the Philippines Republic and signed the Pact of Biak na Bato? A. Emilio F. Aguinaldo. B. Jose P. Laurel. C. Andres Bonifacio. D. Manuel L. Quezon. Yes, letter A is the answer, Emilio F. Aguinaldo. Second question. Who declared the martial law and war between the Philippines and the U.S. in 1944? A. Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. B. Manuel L. Quezon. C. Jose P. Laurel. D. Manuel E. Rojas. Yes, letter C is the answer, Jose P. Laurel. Third question. What did Jose P. Laurel organize a provisional government during Japanese occupation? A. Hukbalahap. B. Kalibapi. C. Bell Trade Act. D. Himagsikan. Yes, letter B is the answer, Kalibapi. Fourth question. When did Manuel L. Quezon bestow the Wallenberg Medal for having reached out to the victims of Holocaust? A. August 19, 1943. B. August 19, 2015. C. August 1, 1944. D. August 1, 2014. Yes, letter B is the answer, August 19, 2015. Fifth question. Who was the last president under the Commonwealth and the first president of the new republic after World War II? A. Manuel A. Rojas. B. Manuel L. Quezon. C. Elpidio R. Quirino. D. Ramon F. Magsaysay. Yes, letter A is the answer, Manuel A. Rojas. Sixth question. What did Elpidio Quirino created under his term? A. Philippine Trade Act laws. B. Philippine Rehabilitation Act. C. The Bell Trade Act. D. Social Security Commission and Integrity Board. Yes, letter D is the answer, Social Security Commission and Integrity Board. Seventh question. Who established the National Resettlement and Rehabilitation Administration? A. George Vargas. B. Elpidio Quirino. C. Ramon Magsaysay. D. Carlos P. Garcia. Yes, letter C is the answer, Ramon Magsaysay. Eighth question. Who made Filipino First policy? A. Elpidio Quirino. B. Carlos P. Garcia. C. Manuel A. Rojas. D. Diosdado Macapagal. Yes, letter B is the answer, Carlos P. Garcia. Ninth question. Diosdado Macapagal did the following except 1. A. Established the first land reform law. B. Declared June 12, 1898 to be Philippines Independence Day. C. Signed the minimum wage law. And D. Made Philippines as golden years. Yes, letter D is the answer, made Philippines as golden years. 10th question. When was the declaration of martial law? A. September 22, 1972. B. September 21, 1972. C. September 20, 1973. D. September 21, 1973. Yes, letter B is the answer, September 21, 1972. 11th question. Ferdinand E. Marcos served the longest years. Blank served the shortest years. A. Elpidio Quirino. B. Sergio Osmeña. C. Manuel A. Rojas. D. Ramon Magsaysay. Yes, letter B is the answer, Sergio Osmeña. 12th question. Who was the founder of the Nacionalista Party? A. Diosdado Macapagal. B. Sergio Osmeña. C. Manuel A. Rojas. D. Carlos P. Garcia. Yes, letter B is the answer, Sergio Osmeña. 13th question. How many power plant was completed in the administration of Ferdinand E. Marcos? A. 22, B. 21, C. 10, D. 20. Yes, letter D is the answer, 20. 14th question. Who signed the Emancipation of Tenants from the Bondage of the Soil? A. Ferdinand R. Marcos, B. Ferdinand E. Marcos, C. Diosdado P. Macapagal, D. Carlos P. Garcia. Yes, letter B is the answer, Ferdinand E. Marcos. 15th question. Who signed Family Code of 1987? A. Corazon C. Aquino, B. Ferdinand E. Marcos, C. Gloria M. Arroyo, D. Joseph Ejercito Estrada. Yes, letter A is the answer, Corazon C. Aquino. 16th question. Who had 29 honorary doctorate degrees and received British knighthood from Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II? A. Corazon C. Aquino, B. Ferdinand E. Marcos, C. Fidel V. Ramos, D. Rodrigo R. Duterte. Yes, letter C is the answer, Fidel V. Ramos. 17th question. The first president who had been a famous actor. A. Joseph Estrada, B. Jingo Estrada, C. Diosdado Macapagal, D. Corazon Aquino. Yes, letter A is the answer, Joseph Estrada. 18th question. Corazon Aquino signed 1191 Local Government Code. Gloria M. Arroyo blank. A. Implemented EVAT law. B. Created Philippine Veterans Bank. C. Was named Woman of the Year. D. Established peace talks. Yes, letter A is the answer. Implemented EVAT law. 19th question. Who initiated K-12 education in the Philippines? A. Corazon C. Aquino, B. Gloria M. Arroyo, C. Benigno Simeon C. Aquino III, D. Rodrigo Duterte. Yes, letter C is the answer. Benigno Simeon C. Aquino III. 20 question. The President signed the Train Law and Comprehensive Tax Reform Program and launched the Build Infrastructure Program. A. Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., B. Gloria M. Arroyo, C. Benigno Simeon C. Aquino III, D. Rodrigo R. Duterte. Yes, letter D is the answer, Rodrigo R. Duterte.